You exalted to a level of divinity. Your meat and bones shall be relished for eternity.
That makes me hungry.
Hunger is an emotion that returns
Again and again.
There is nothing more to say.